Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. For this video, I won't be using a black 3x3 cube because, well, mine don't have centers. So instead, I'll be using my white one. To solve a Rubik's Cube, you must know notations. These notations can be represented by letters, such as U for the up layer, D for the down layer, R for the right layer, L for the left layer, and B for the back layer. Along with these notations, there are inverted notations. Basically, inverted notations are just counterclockwise movements of the regular turns. For example, U for the U layer. This would be regular U because it's clockwise. And this would be U inverted, which is counterclockwise. This is R, clockwise. And this is R inverted, counterclockwise. Now that you know the notations, you are ready to solve a Rubik's Cube.